So as a reminder, when you're doing cubicles, you're running them up there. So here's a great example of, oh my God, what happened? So that's a core right there. So sometimes we can't get it in there, so we're gonna go back in there. There's multiple different ways. There's a sock, there's a split loom that we can cover that. But one thing I really wanted to just start to talk about on the cubicles, you don't need that much slack inside of a cubicle. Now we have to cut this back because we just can't jam, and especially in this position with the whip right there and the main bundle, that's gonna be a pain in the butt. This length is okay, but as we go around different cubicles, I might be able to cram that in there. But now this one is acceptable. So use a little bit of brain power and make sure you don't have too much slack. Right, Sergio? Mm-hmm. You know there's fire coating on those wire ties sometimes. There's fire coating on those wire ties. Sometimes it will make you sick.
Oh, damn.
Yeah. All right. Well, you were warned.